In this video, we'll talk about an RT-PCR app developed by National Informatics Center for ICMR. This app is meant to be used by collection center sample collectors to enter details of samples being collected for COVID-19 RT-PCR test. It is mandatory to fill this form for each and every sample being collected. This app will read the location parameters such as latitude, longitude of places where the sample of RT-PCR test is being collected. Now let's move to understand how this app particularly works. Starting from the download and installation from Play Store and the portal with the link as provided. Before accepting terms and conditions, check your mobile number authorization by visiting over the portal. This app will now ask you to enter a mobile number against which an OTP will be received. The very first menu at the top of this app will ask you to add new patient. After clicking on it, this app will ask you, do you have doctor prescription for the test? If yes, this app will ask the name and the mobile number of patient. An OTP will be sent to this particular mobile number provided. You can skip with the OTP option. After validating the OTP, partial form is saved and other sections can be filled immediately or later. This app will ask you to enter personal details, patient's credentials and some medical questions which can be seen on the screen. Before making a final submission, a screen will pop up displaying your SRF ID. You can edit or can continue. You can now preview your form and can proceed with submit, save, edit or delete options. The patient will receive an SMS to view report. Now let's talk about the second menu of this app, which is repeat test. After clicking on this menu, a screen will display like this, asking for some parameters, and at least one value is mandatory, either patient ID or at least mobile number of patient or family. Right after entering the parameters, few matching records can be seen here. Tapping the desired patient record, the app will populate A2 and A4 section with limited editing privileges. Sections A3 and B1 to B4 may be entered. Now let's talk about third menu from the top, which is saved and incomplete. This incomplete section will show you the incomplete forms which are not submitted yet. And in the fourth menu from the top, which is pending sync. Pending sync will show you the number of pending forms. While using this app, please ensure your internet connection is active. Now let's talk about the last fifth from the top, view forms menu. In View Forms menu, select a date to view SRF forms submitted by you. A screen will show you something like this. Tap on SRF to view PDFs. From the portal, a sample collector can download all SRF forms in PDF. For further questions and queries, feel free to reach us. Thank you so much.